Hopefully I am not sideways this time. This is my second try. Thank you to all of you who watched and commented the first time. Today is my day to share with you how we organize and use our Master Books curriculum. So I will start with this. This is my daughter's math. First I'd like to say that this is our 10th year of homeschooling, second year with Master Books. The first 8 years of homeschooling were a challenge. I used this bit of curriculum and that bit of curriculum, and trying to put them all together was like a puzzle for me, and I had trouble planning it and organizing it. And then I found Master Books and the suggested schedules, and it was such a relief to my heart to have it there in front of me to work through, a planner that I didn't have to plan. It's made a world of difference for our family. So back to this. This is my daughter's math. When we go to start a course, I will tear out all of the answer keys, quizzes, and tests in the back of the books. In this case, this book, I have left all the reference sheets that are here. My kids enjoy having these right here handy to refer to easily and quickly. Once I have torn out all of those pages, hi everyone, I put them in my mother binder for answer keys, quizzes, and tests. Now this is for my 2 older children. I have divided them all up in page protectors by subject, and then within each subject I use my favorite little stickers, these little post-it note stickers here, and I will write down quizzes, tests. I'll put down where I am currently in that week for correcting my children's work, and that works out just great. I can organize within each subject. Now for my youngest, he is 6. I don't know if I mentioned, my oldest is 13 and my second is 11. Now my 6-year-old, this is his little decorated binder. I do not tear out all of the answer keys from his course books. Not all of his courses have answer keys, but I do tear out the manipulatives, and when we need them, I take this out and he uses his dry erase pens. He thinks it's the greatest thing to be able to erase pens, so he loves to do that. Now, back to this book again. We start the day with opening up their books to the suggested schedules at the front. Let me get here to the right page. So they will read what they have to do. Let's see if I can get this straight. They'll read over here what they have to do. Then they will date it. They will check off that they've done it. And then I will grade it that afternoon, usually. And so that works great. It's very simple. Down here, you can see I have written, where is it? Right there, a date at the end of this quarter. My daughter loves to be able to see her goals. So I go in and put dates at different places in her schedule. And then if there's sickness or she has to go somewhere, doesn't get school done that day, she still knows where she has to be and how she can flex with this, because Master Books is just wonderfully flexible for us. Let's see, what else here? That is pretty much simply it. It's been, I love to organize. It even was part of my job description once upon a time to organize, but I feel like I am in a season of disorganization, and Master Books has met me right here, welcomed me, helped me out, like the friend who brings dinner to you when you're not feeling well, or that call from, an encouraging call from your friend. It's just given me a joy in my schooling with my children, the more time I can spend with them and going down learning trails and less time. And this is what works for me where I am with the different challenges that we have in life, and it's different for everyone. And that's what I just love about Master Books is you can do it simply, you can add extra, you can do whatever you want to plan your school or to just open and go with the books. I just want to encourage you to each use them just the way that you want. I thank you for watching. For those of you who are watching again, I thank you. I hope that you all have a great afternoon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.